Look. Look back here. Dude, man.
That shit got lifted off.
What the? Oh my god.
That shit got lifted off.
Dude, what happened to the porch?
Son, what the fuck? I feel like this tornado was like for days.
It was a fucking flood, dude.
No.
It acted like a tornado, though. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Dude, this is. Oh, what the.
I'm gonna record this. Dude, what the?
I don't think my camera can catch it all that good.
Look how the trampoline got over here. And this is
Wait, whose
Giovanni's
trampoline is that?
house. It's Giovanni's.
Giovanni?
We did a little one. Remember that?
Yeah. Dude, look at that porch.
What the fuck? And half of these people barely moved in.
Yeah. Dude, this thing is. There's like dirt, mud
Look at
everywhere.
Chewy's house.
Oh my, dude, what the
They can
fuck?
go, what the?
Trying to go there, dude?
Yeah, let's go around. I want to see.
Look at Vicky's porch
What
though.
else off that pulled?
Oh my gosh,
What the? We'll go over there.
dude, look at Vicky's porch.
What the hell?
It went like 5 houses, 5 trailers away from that.
What
Dude.
the fuck? Oh, and they barely got their house done.
Yeah, they barely had their house made.
Boom.
They painted their house and they made it all nice, and then this. Look at this car, and chairs and everything.
That is Vicky's porch.
It is, dude, because it's green.
Oh, look at this.
What the fuck happened to that house? Dude, this is...
This is like, what the? I want to see the car.
What? Get out of there, nigga. Let's go. Follow me.
For the hood.
Viene después porque además de buscar atención inmediata como es alimentación y alojamiento corporal para estos días.
What's up, brother Daniel? Dude, it's be on TV. Come on. Eso no visión,